So one thing you notice here is the amount of dust that's pouring off this saw. It always seems to look a lot more on the video than what it does in real life there, but I mean it does, this saw does actually throw off a hell of a lot of dust. It doesn't really extract too well. I probably really need to improve the extraction for that, but poor old girl, she's struggling a bit because the blade is pretty blunt and this is a really hard piece of wood.
So what I'm currently doing is I'm running windowsill. So you would have just seen in the previous part of the video that I did the bevel on the big PP saw there. Struggled a little bit, a bit blunt, but anyway. So we're now onto the spindle where I'm going to do the flashing rabbit and the frog, which is an anti-warping groove underneath, and then the drip groove. So I'll film that so you see how it all goes and what the finished product ends up looking like. So I'm just setting up now to do the drip groove. There's just some slotted collar cutters. Just thought I'd stick the camera on there while I'm setting it up so you can see how I do it. Run a test piece to make sure it's right. That'll do me. So I'm just setting this sill out. I've got two windows in this job that have a double hung on one end, a fixed panel of glass in the middle, and then a double hung on the other end. So our sill needs to be machined accordingly. So a double hung section of the sill, the profile of the sill on that is very different to what a fixed glass piece is. So I'm just setting up for that now, and what I'm machining on the sill will be for the double hung. So just an explanation so you know what I'm up to. So hopefully you can see this here, if I can get that to focus. the actual overall profile is the sill shape, but if you can see the pen is somewhere near the profile that I'll be running on the two ends of the sill.
Now, because I have the fixed glass panel in the middle, I have to stop and start the profiles on the two ends for the double hung. So that's what I've just done there. I've stopped on the in feed and then moved along and drop in and start again. So you can see there, as I just put the bit of sill down, you can see the slight difference there between where the fixed glass sits and the double hung sits. So this is the profile I ended up with, a little bit different to what I was originally going to do. I just didn't have enough depth of rabbet there to do the double rabbeted section that I wanted to do, so this will work fine. Now I just need to clean the sills up and prepare it to put together. And now I've just given it the final sanding across the bevel there to get rid of the saw marks and the burn marks, and after that it's all ready to start assembly.